Hi, I'm Curtis Parties and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy cryptocurrencies on the Easy Equities platform. So the platform I'll be going through is a platform part of the Easy Equities ecosystem. So on this, you are able to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrencies at spot, which means it is not an exchange. This is where you can only buy Bitcoin and basically store it on Easy Equities or a sub-platform of Easy Equities, which is EasyCrypto. So in today's video, we're just going to go over the platform and how you could buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies on the platform. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe and also make sure to leave a like. With that said, let's get right into today's video. So firstly, it's similar to any other account type on Easy Equities. So if you go to Easy Equities, there will be quite a few. As we already know, we have our Easy Equities ZAR, we have Easy Equities USD, and we have Easy Properties, which we've all covered on this channel. There's a whole playlist if you want to go through all that videos. But if you wanted to activate the cryptocurrency account, you're going to have to go to activate new account type. Then you'll basically just scroll down to the bottom where you'll see Easy Equities or Easy Crypto, and you'll just say activate account. And that's basically where it will activate. And this will redirect you to a new platform or just another, similar to how you have done with Easy Properties. So once you on the account, you'll basically see Easy Crypto. So this will be the platform. As you can see, it will have current portfolio value. It's basically the same as what we saw on Valo or Luno. Basically the same design structure, where you have your invest now, your wallet, your profile, and so on. But today's video, I'm just going to show you how to buy Bitcoin at spot. Remember, like I said, at spot value means is you can't exchange any of the Bitcoin, for example. It's not an exchange. It's basically you just buy the cryptocurrencies on the platform, and that's where you save it. So if you keep it on the platform. But remember, always a rule of thumb with crypto is not your keys, not your coins. For example, the platform has full rights to your wallet, for example. So if you wanted to, you can just withdraw this and put it to, always suggest it, like move all your cryptocurrency to a cold wallet or a cold storage wallet, which is not connected to the internet. So if in case a platform does go out of commission, does go out of business, for example, then you have your coin still. So this is similar to, it's basically the same thing with Luno wallets. In an exchange, Easy Properties has all the cryptocurrencies stored on the platform, and you don't have your coins. So that's why a cold wallet or like a ledger wallet would be the best if you're going in the long term and you have large amounts of crypto. But for the time being, if you just want to have like exposure to Bitcoin, I would say this would be a good platform to start. And this platform is quite well designed compared to Valo and Luno, which I enjoy the UI experience on this platform. So let's just get right into it. So firstly, it's similar to any other platform. You have portfolio, invest now, you have your wallet. So we'll just start like how to fund this account. So if you wanted to fund this account, it's the same principle where you're gonna have to have another bank account and you have to transfer via EFT onto this account. So let's just show an example. So fund this account. As you can see, there is South African Rand. So they bank with Standard Bank. They don't have any other apps that's coming soon. So the only bank they have now is Standard Bank. So it will take 2 days for your money to come into this account. You can also fund your account via Bitcoin. So if you ever, like if you're from Luno or Valo, you want to transfer to this account, you can deposit it via Bitcoin, which will just create a wallet. So if we did that, as you can see, there is a Bitcoin address, so you'll copy this address onto the other platform and just send the Bitcoin to this. So funding your account is basically the generic, so you will create an EFT on your banking app. We'll have to, the same, you see this EFT reference, this is your, so once you make a payment on your mobile banking application, make sure to use this reference, because this Easy Crypto will then know this is your account you're funding. So you will have your bank details, the branch, the account number, and then put this as your reference and their reference, because then they will know this is the account you're funding. So once you have done that, it should take about 2 days, or depending on, like if you stay in a bank, it should be probably the same day, and then your account will be funded. So the same was withdraw money. If you wanted to do back, you will probably just have to link your bank account, you have your recurring investments, and then you have your transaction history, so all your history based on that. So on this side, we just have, you can see it's Easy Equities. So this is the whole ecosystem of Easy Equities. You have Easy Properties, Easy Crypto, Easy Equities. So this is the whole ecosystem. And this side, we just got notifications. Here you got some help, and then you got your profile, which is where you can change your profile and change your password on this account. So now let's get into the part where you basically buy Bitcoin. So I'm going to do two parts, which is for the people on mobile, and this part, so I'm just going to not use, I funded this account with $1,000 just to experiment and to demonstrate how to do it on this video for other people. So this is the main tab you will be probably seeing the whole time, your portfolio once you log into the application. So we'll basically just show your current profit or loss on the account. Here we just have a chart of your account, so for the past 7 days, 1 month here, and a max of how your account fluctuated. Here you just have your top holdings. For the account we have nothing, so you can just see all. This is a cool feature which I like, so you'll be probably on this a lot, where you have latest news. So this is Bitcoin versus gold. You have crypto set to, so if you're gonna be logging in at least for a day or two, then good going into this. You have Twitter updates, so this will be if you're on Twitter and you are following people, you will get specific Twitter updates related to cryptocurrencies. And that's basically the overview of the portfolio. Here we just got portfolio distribution, so how your portfolio is split up amongst different cryptocurrencies, and then your recent transactions onto this account. And that's basically the portfolio. So if you wanted to buy Bitcoin on this account, you'll just go to invest now. So as we can see, there's bundles. I made a video on this on Luna, where a bundle is basically just a combination of different currencies. So if you, for example, if you wanted to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe for example XRP, Tether, all those ones will be in one bundle. So these are all crypto bundles here on top, where it's split amongst different cryptocurrencies. You can see this E10 went up with 8%. This one went up with 6%. So, but now we're going to cryptocurrency. As you can see, there's a filter feature here on top, which is market cap. Market cap is the largest, which is has the most money in it, which is best performers for the past, I think, 7 days, and the worst performers for the past 7 days, and then we're just going by alphabetical. So if you wanted to have this filter feature, it will be there. But today we'll just go Bitcoin, which is the cryptocurrency we want to purchase. So if you wanted to buy Bitcoin on this account, you'll just click Bitcoin here. You can see this is just a chart on it, the selling bird, starting bird, last price. So if we wanted to do the amount to buy, you can see there's buy now, sell, and recurring, which is you buy on a specific date on each day, which is dollar cost averaging, which is a good strategy to follow. So if we wanted to buy Bitcoin on this account, we'll just click the amount we wanted to buy, which is 500. So you can see the price has changed since you started the transaction. As you can see there, as Bitcoin is very volatile, it will basically change a lot. Here we have some research also. We wanted to read about the white paper of Bitcoin, which is cool. Our research on it, and in Yahoo Finance. So if you wanted to read on this, so this will basically apply to any of the other cryptocurrency we buy on. So once you have that, you'll just see there's always fees on spot trading. As you can see, there's investment cost of R1. So for the 500, we're paying a R1 fee on this. So if we just say buy now, there we just have a final congratulations fee, which your investment value is 489. Coin price, number of coins, and then we have investment cost, which is total to 500. So basically there we have purchased Bitcoin on EasyCrypto, which is another platform of Easy Equities. So then we just click done. Now we're going back to our home screen. As you can see, our current portfolio is still the same, and this is where we changed. This chart wasn't like this, and now you can see our total holdings, which wasn't previously, is 500 in Bitcoin, which I like the design of this, which is not similar, where it doesn't add logo of a specific cryptocurrency, which is nice. So they have just changed. Now we can see our ZAR is 50 and BTC is 59. Profit loss, which is because of that fee, and that's basically investment funds left is 500. So that is how to buy Bitcoin on Easy Equities or EasyCrypto. So if you want to sign up, I will have a link down below where you can sign up to Easy Equities. It's basically you'll get like a 50 Rand off any of your fees, but I think that only will apply for Easy Equities and not EasyCrypto. But if you were planning on joining, you can use that link down below. So I will have a follow-up video for the people on mobile, which will be a video just after this one. So if you're on mobile, just watch that one instead. Or if you already probably learned from this video, you probably don't need to watch the second one, but to watch the second one. So I'm Curtis Barties. Hope this video, you've learned something from this video. Until next time, peace out.